Bananagrams. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to use all of your letters. Lay out the letter tiles face down on the table and mix them up. These are called the bunch. Each player takes their starting face down tiles from the bunch based on the number of players playing. 21 tiles each for 2 to 4 players, down to 11 tiles each for 7 to 8 players. There are no turns. All play happens simultaneously. To begin, one player says split, and all the players simultaneously turn over all their tiles face up and race to arrange them in their own intersecting word grid. Words must read from left to right or top to bottom, and each word must connect to at least one other word with at least one shared letter. You may rearrange your word grid at any time as often as you like. Whenever a player places their last face-up letter in their grid, that person calls out peel, and every player, including that player, takes one more tile from the bunch. Anytime during the game, you may call out dump and put one of your letters back face down in the bunch and take 3 new tiles in exchange. Dumping has no effect on other players, and there is no limit to the number of times you can dump. When the bunch is depleted to fewer tiles than there are the number of players, then the first player to use all their letters in a connected word grid yells bananas and wins. The other players now inspect the winning grid. If that grid contains misspelled words, proper nouns, abbreviations, or other unacceptable words, then the other players call out rotten banana, and the winner doesn't win but is instead out of the game. Return their tiles face down back to the bunch and play continues until there is a legitimate winner.